This is the third problem related to problems with congruent triangles. In this case, we have this figure and we have this given. PQ, the ray PQ or the segment PQ bisects the angle MPN. MPN is this angle, right? And it's telling us that PQ bisects it. So it's also telling us that MP it's congruent with NP, right? So this side MP is congruent with this side MP, okay? Let's analyze what we have after reading what we need to prove. So we need to prove that triangle MQP, so this triangle, it's congruent with NQP. It's congruent with this triangle NQP. Okay, so to prove this, remember that we have the necessity to reach three postulates. It could be side, side, side. It could be a side, angle, side, or it could be angle, side, angle. Okay, so in this case, we know, or it's telling us, this is telling us that PQ bisects angle MPN. So this angle 1, it's congruent with this angle 2 because by definition of bisection, we know that the two things are congruent, the two angles. So now we have a side and an angle, a side and an angle that are congruent. So clearly we notice that this side is a common side to these two triangles. So basically PQ works as a side for both. So it's the same. And let me use a different color. It's the same. So if it's the same, we have that side angle side is congruent with side angle side. So if this is true, then we know that this criteria is enough to guarantee that the two triangles are congruent. All right, so let's work the proof. So we have our statements and we have our reasons. Okay, so first statement. The first statement is the given. PQ bisects angle MPN, right? And also MP, segment MP, it's congruent with segment MP, right? This is the given. We already established, we already noticed that angle 1 and angle 2 are congruent. So angle 1, it's congruent with angle 2 by the definition of bisector. Definition of bisector of an angle, right? So number 3. By identity, by common side, we know that PQ, it's basically congruent with PQ because it's the same side. So if it's the same side, by identity, we can guarantee that it's the same thing, right? We can see it in the figure. It's the same thing. Common side is a common side, right? For both triangles. So now we have, like we said before, now we have that MP is congruent to MP. We have the PQ is congruent with PQ, obviously, and the included angle are also congruent. The included angles are also congruent. So if this is true, then we know that triangle MQP, it's congruent with triangle NQP, and this is now by the side angle side postulate. Okay, so by the side angle side postulate, we can guarantee that two triangles are congruent. Okay, so this is the last video related to this type of problems. This is it. I hope that this video is helpful studying congruent triangles.